I'm a foreign national exempt from foreign law under Amendment 11, and they keep calling me sovereign citizen and like.
Well, that's what it is. That's what it is.
No, it's not.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Stop.
No!
Come here, bud. Come here, bud.
The scene opens with a classic sovereign citizen trope as she claims exemption under the 11th Amendment, while the narrator sets the stage for the inevitable humbling. This is the ultimate hook because it shows you exactly where this is headed, with her being pulled from the vehicle. It is a stark contrast between her calm, smug delivery of fake legal jargon and the aggressive reality of a police takedown. She is literally betting her freedom on a script that has never worked in a single courtroom in history.
Can you roll this back window down for me? Hello. Hi, can you roll this window down for me? Hi, my name is Officer Fager with the Edgewater Police. The reason I stopped you, he's not in his seatbelt, and your tag is obscured. The top of it, you can't see what it is, and it doesn't come back to anything.
My camera is blocking the top.
Yeah, do you have your driver's license, ma'am? Do you have an actual driver's license?
Oh, that is my ID. I'm an American State National.
Okay, that's not a thing.
Yeah.
Do you have a registration and valid proof of insurance?
I'm not engaging in the commercial use of the highways or byways, nor am I operating in a for-hire capacity. I'm a foreign national exempt from foreign law under Amendment 11 of both the Constitution and the Constitution of the United States, and I claim all my exemptions.
Okay, so do you have any other documentation from the United States government saying that you're exempt from these or that you're
I don't have my paperwork in the car with me, but I do have it.
Okay.
And that's my form of ID, and those are my private plates on the car.
Okay, this is a passport. Okay, so I'm aware of your group that you're with. This doesn't grant you any rights to drive.
Please run my passport?
I will. Do you have a driver's license in any state in the United States?
No.
No? Okay. Do you have any other documentation, nothing from the United States government saying you have diplomatic immunity?
My paperwork is at my house.
Okay, are you aware that in the United States, when you're a diplomat inside the United, are you claiming to be a diplomat? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm a foreign state national.
Right. So,
That's what I am.
so you're a foreign state national,
Yes, and
but
if you run my
you're claiming
passport,
diplomatic
you will
immunity,
see-
correct?
If you run my passport, you'll be able to see my documents there.
That's.
It reflects.
So, do you have
my
a
status.
driver's license in any state in the United States?
That is my form of ID, sir.
Do you have a driver's license? That's not my question. Do you have a driver's license? You do not. Okay.
No, that is my form of ID.
Do you have a registration or a valid proof of insurance for the vehicle? It's a yes or no question.
No.
Okay. Any particular reason he wasn't seatbelted?
No, he had.
He was hanging out the window. Yeah, but when we were behind him, he didn't have his seatbelt
Pulled
on.
away from school. And
Okay, where did you obtain that tag?
From foreign state national guy in Alabama who makes the plates.
Okay. So you're aware that in the United States and in the state of Florida, you're required to have specific tags that actually go to the vehicle and is registered. Are you aware of that?
My private automobile.
Okay.
Those are my
You've been filled with some
private plates.
false information. So in the state of Florida, you're
No, I'm
required to
not
have a
sure
driver's
that-
license.
I'm not sure many people are aware.
We
of
are.
the
I have read a lot about the foreign state
I
nationals.
don't know. I feel like they give people a bad rap because I've been in situations before
Uh-huh.
where I try to explain to them, and they keep calling me sovereign citizen and like.
Well, that's what it
even
is.
if you look
That's what it
up-
is.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not.
The tension begins to simmer as the officer tries to be professional, while she explains she isn't engaging in commercial use of the highway. It is almost painful to watch her try to convince a veteran officer that she is an American supranational. You can see the officer's patience wearing thin as he realizes he isn't dealing with a confused driver, but someone who has completely opted out of reality. She refuses to provide the most basic documents, setting a collision course with the literal hand of the law.
You look it up on the internet, it'll tell you, right? But it'll explain it as a
Essentially,
sovereign citizen.
essentially, it's a sovereign. It is a sovereign citizen entity. Do you have keys to the vehicle? Can you hand me the keys?
No, I cannot.
Okay, step out of the car for me.
That's all. Step and talk out. You need to step out.
Get out of the car. Unlock it. Can you unlock it?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Step out of the car.
Close my door!
Step out of the car. 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 Stop.
Stop!
You're gonna get chased. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. You just kicked me. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. Get out of the Get your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop. You're fine. I know she's your mom. 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 Your mom's fine, okay? Go back in the car. Go back in the car.
I'm not!
It's okay.
No, it's not.
We're gonna come take her to the grass and you guys can talk to her, okay? Step away from her.
It's already bad enough with fucking arrested. I don't need her arrested too. She's the only person I have. Please.
Step back over here.
Please, I'm sorry.
Go back to the car, please. Your mom's gonna be okay.
Please.
Your mom's gonna be okay.
Please, no, just don't.
We're not gonna hurt her. Your mom's gonna be okay.
She's the only person I have. Nothing right.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
These are my children.
Okay.
Please, please.
Go back in the Come car.
I did
Get these
nothing
kids away from
wrong.
me.
They forced me out of my car. They dragged me on the floor like an animal. I did nothing at all. I just
Stand
picked
up.
my children up from
Stand
school.
up. Watch your phone. Walk over to that car.
I can't believe you're doing this.
Grab that one too.
I did nothing wrong.
Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Hey, come on. Step over here. Unlock your car. Hey. Take a seat in the vehicle. You have any weapons on you? Purse? No, you don't. Take a seat. Sit you did, please. Hey, try to talk to you. Okay? Hey, that's
I tried to talk to you.
No, but
Why
you weren't
would you
listening.
drag me out?
Now we see the deep dive into the sovereign citizen rabbit hole. She tries to rebrand herself as a foreign state national, thinking a change of vocabulary will somehow change the Florida statutes. The commentary rightly points out that this is just a repackaged version of the same old nonsense, often taught by sketchy online gurus. The most tragic part is that she is doing all of this with her children in the back seat, turning a routine afternoon into a traumatic legal circus over a $30 fake license plate.
You saw the channel?
Right? I'm not a U.S. citizen. Okay, I understand you're doing your job and all that, but I did nothing wrong. And now you're forcefully pushing me into
Get in the car. You're under arrest.
Why?
Because you kicked me. Battery on a law enforcement officer. You did. It's on camera.
did
You
not
did
kick
kick me.
you.
You did kick me.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
You were pushing me, pulling me out of my car.
I'm right here. Yep. You want some quick games like this?
I'm not playing any games.
Asking for help. Is he okay?
He's fine.
No!
Do you have someone we can call that can pick the kids up?
I'm trying to call him.
Okay, well, I have your phone. Do you want me to try to call him for you? I'm not going to give you your phone now. What's your PIN? Or you don't have to give me it, but I'm trying to
Well,
make a
can I
phone call
put
for
my
you.
pin in?
Sure.
Adult male detained, 14.
Sort of female first search if we have one.
Adult male Baker at 1446.
Hi, my love. Is there anything like
No, they arrested me and they have the kids. I did nothing.
Move your foot.
And you dragged me out of my car. They dragged me out of the car.
Give me a second, let me see who I can find.
I'm trying to make a phone call. There's 3 kids in the car. They're freaking out right now.
Where are you going to be? Where are you?
Hi, this is Officer Fager with the Edgewater Police Department. Who am I speaking with?
This is Joshua. What's going on?
Are you Are you husband or father of the kid?
No, don't touch me!
I'm not going to touch you.
Are you able to try to respond to take the kid? She's under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence.
That doesn't seem like her. I don't understand what's going on.
Okay, well, you can review the body camera footage because it was her. So, do you want to respond to take the kids?
Talk to Dad.
Do you want to have a conversation?
My son.
We're calling to get somebody to come pick you up. Do you have a valid license? Do you have a license right now?
I don't use no license, sir.
Huh?
I don't use a license.
Well, in the state of Florida, you have to have a valid driver's license to drive a motor vehicle on the roadway. You understand that, right?
No.
This is the moment where the talking stops and the action takes over. When the officer asks for the keys and she refuses, the window of negotiation slams shut. The sound of the door opening and the physical struggle marks the exact point where her imaginary rights meet the very real authority of the police. It is a chaotic, high-stakes sequence that shows the officers have zero interest in debating constitutional law on the side of a busy road. She chose to resist, and now she is feeling the direct consequences.
No.
I can see if I can get someone closer. Can you give me 5 minutes?
Sure.
Okay.
Yep, you can just call her number back if you want.
Okay.
Thanks, bud.
Being a police officer is an inherently dangerous job. So when you're told to do something and you tell them no, we're going to then make you do it. That's just the way it works. This whole sovereign...
But it's still not right. They really
You
forced
committed a
me to the crime. I did not hurt anyone. I was not committing a crime.
You committed
They dragged me out
You
of
committed
my
a misdemeanor
car
in the state of
by
Florida.
My legs, like
listen.
an animal.
Well, you kicked him.
Sir, I did not kick him. He's dragging my legs, and I'm trying to pull my legs back to sit up in my seat.
You were
so
driving.
if he got kicked, it was not intentional.
You were driving a motor vehicle that is unregistered in the state of Florida, which is a misdemeanor crime, punishable by jail and fines, so you can't go to jail for it.
And you are going to jail for it. You don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida. That's a misdemeanor. You're going to jail for that.
She said she used to have, so she
She's
paid
suspended.
$30. Well, no, I know. She paid $30 to this sovereign citizen group to get that tag because she's one of the foreign national things, and they told her you don't need a license anymore, you don't have to register, you don't have to do all this stuff.
Ask if it's okay if Maya, their next door neighbor, picks up.
Is it okay if Maya, your next door neighbor? Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, are you Maya?
Yes, I am.
Gotcha.
6 Alpha 15.
You realize all your cars. Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can we see it so we can make sure? You realize in the state of Florida, your vehicle has to be registered, right?
It is registered.
Because it's been documented time after time after time that somebody tries to do this, and it's proven that it's false. It's not true. Okay? But ultimately, at the end of the day, you can't put your hands on a police officer. Not in the United States, not in the state of Florida, not in the city of Edgewater. Okay? There's repercussions to that. All right?
Did you get her on the sovereign thing, or she?
Well, her? Did she get you onto it? Because she has a tag too.
No, she's my neighbor.
She's your neighbor.
Who got it first?
You or her?
She did.
Did she turn you on to it? Say you could look into this?
No, but that's her own business. But I wanted to look it up.
Oh, she has a business doing it?
No,
that's her own.
Like her,
Personal business.
Yeah.
I got you. So she's gonna walk home with your kids. She's not driving her car either. Her car's getting towed just like yours.
The aftermath of the extraction is pure high-voltage drama. As she is led to the grass, she plays a victim card immediately, claiming she was treated like an animal despite being given every chance to cooperate. The emotional weight of the children crying add a layer of intensity that makes her stubbornness look even more reckless. The officers are now in damage control mode. Try to secure the scene while she continues to shout her legal theories at anyone who will listen. It is a total breakdown of order.
You guys have to have registered vehicles in the state of Florida. They have to be registered. That's the bottom line.
But here's the other thing you have to understand, right? Her vehicle's being towed, but she's walking home with your kids because of how she reacted. Okay? She didn't kick me. She didn't put her hands on a police officer, screaming me out. Right?
Hold on a second.
Call me back and let me know. Oh, okay.
No, hey, I'm right here. It's Sergeant Benz. You're going to be able to take her kids.
Yes.
You're going to receive a citation for unregistered motor vehicle. Your vehicle's going to get towed by Edgewater Towing, and you'll be able to walk home with the kids.
Did you hear that? They want to tow my car.
They can tow it. It's not.
And he can hear you. You're on the speaker if you want to say something.
It's a vehicle that has 4 wheels, and it's powered by a motor. It is a motor vehicle, sir.
Except it's registered as automobile.
No, sir. It's going to get towed. She's going to get a ticket, and she'll be on her way.
Okay, but it shouldn't be towed. But I mean, we're not causing a problem, but it should not be towed.
Well, it's not registered. The Florida registration on it was canceled, so therefore it's no longer registered.
Right, and she doesn't actually need a registration. It is a private property. It's private automobile. It's a part
And
of a
it's in trust.
It is in a
Yes,
trust.
so you keep that in mind.
If you do, I mean,
It's gonna cost you guys a lot.
but if you do tow it, there are going to be issues. It's in a trust. It's private property. It is not to be towed. If you run her passport, it'll show you that you're not supposed to even question or detain.
The stakes get even higher as we learn she isn't just being cited for the car. She is facing a felony charge of battery on an officer. Kicking a cop while resisting is the fastest way to turn a fine into a jail cell. The narrator is ruthless here, pointing out the absurdity of her logic while she tries to call for help. It is a fascinating look at how these ideologies trap people in a cycle of escalation where they believe they are winning even as the handcuffs are clicking shut. She is fully committed to the bit.
Her, she actually showed up at the traffic stop at the request of the other female to pick up her kids. It was discovered when she got her here that her vehicle was unregistered.
It doesn't have to be registered. We have proof from the Department of Motor Vehicles, from Department of Transportation. It doesn't have to be registered.
They say the Department of Transportation is not real. I don't know what that means.
But again, it does not have to be registered, so please reconsider towing it because that's in violation.
I got you.
Amendment 11.
Okay, I've reconsidered it, and it's still going to get towed. Okay.
Are you towing her car as well?
Yes, her car's getting towed. Yeah, she's going to jail. She's going to jail. Yeah. She kicked the police officers.
No.
She kicked him.
Hi.
You taking
It
kids?
would really help if you let me take my car.
It's not registered, ma'am.
It is registered.
It's not.
I don't know how to.
Where's it registered?
With the DOT, US DOT, with the transportation, your company, all your.
No, City of Edgewater. We don't work for DOT, ma'am.
I know you don't work, but.
So, well, you said my company. It's not my company.
But it is registered as a private property and it's put in trust, so it should technically be treated differently than cars that are on roads that are in commerce, correct?
No.
Yes.
No.
What do you mean in commerce?
What law are you basing this off of?
Constitution.
No. Okay.
I have
The
a
U.S.
right.
Constitution talks about
And
commerce
Supreme-
vehicles.
And on Supreme Court, actually, if you have time and you want
Nope, I'm not going to read any of your paperwork. You can bring that to your court date if you want.
See,
But your
I'm
vehicle
not
is going to be towed
articulate,
today.
Right? But I do have a right to be without the driver license and without the
That's
registration.
not true. Not in the state of Florida, not in the United
so
States.
I would appreciate if you give me your business card.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My name and everything's like that at the bottom of her ticket. The easiest thing for you to do is when you go to court.
Do you have any questions or anything else you need to say? Because we're going to get her and the kids out of here before it starts raining. Okay?
Experience. That's all I can say. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Are we free to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Put them on the hood.
Just when you thought it couldn't get any weirder, the neighbor shows up and reveals she is part of the same movement. It is a plot twist no one saw coming. 2 sovereign citizens for the price of 1. Watching the police realize the neighbor is also driving an unregistered vehicle with a fake tag is like watching a comedy of errors. The arrogance of the movement is on full display as the neighbor pulls right into a police scene while breaking the exact same laws. It is a double toe and a double dose of reality.